Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying app version and connectivity. This reduces sync errors. Once done, open the specific chat that holds the photo, video, or file you want to clear. Make sure you know whether you need to remove items from your device only or attempt a message unsend for everyone because the steps diverge. Tap and hold the media item to reveal options. This first action is the gateway to delete, save, or unsend. From here, pick the option that matches your goal. You now perform the detailed removal. Press and hold an item. If you need multiple files, use multi-select mode, you'll save time. Next, select delete or remove for local cleanup or unsend to attempt removing it from the recipient's thread. Remember why? Unsend is limited by time and platform rules, so it may not fully erase copies others already saved. Make your selection, then confirm when prompted. This step finalizes the removal from your visible chat history. Finish by removing residual copies. After deleting in chat, clear the app cache or delete saved files from your device gallery so the media truly disappears locally. Also check cloud backups like iCloud or Google Photos and remove duplicates, otherwise they reappear. If recipients still see content, understand why. Caches, backups, or screenshots retain copies. As a last troubleshooting tip, sign out and back in or update Messenger to force a resync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.